Good evening, friends. Within 10 minutes, we will start our launching ceremony with the honor of our ex-Chief Minister, Honorable Shri Prithviraj Chavan Sahib. He will be there for our launching ceremony. So please wait for only 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, we will start our launching ceremony. Thank you.
Be the CEO of your business. Difficulties to maintain customer record. How I can track purchase record. How I can generate bills with government GST format. I didn't know my overall profit. How I can get selling record. I didn't know vendor record. Which product gives me more profit. Facing lot of problem in a business. Searching for a solution. Don't worry, we have a solution for you. eVyapar. Be the CEO of your business. Coming soon.
You are a shopkeeper with a good number of customers, but they look angry because of waiting time. Not only the customers, but also vendor looks angry. Looks like you are surrounded with various problems, and it seems you need help. To all your problems, we have solution. eVyapar. Now you can go back to your shop, and you can see, not only your customer, but also vendor are happy. So are you. So what basically eVyapar do is, it shows and maintains various reports, like dead stock, GST etc. with easy tracking of purchase details along with date-wise activity. Benefits. Customizable as per your requirement. Along with 2 years data storage and high level of security. And free maintenance. Here are different sources to contact us.
Good evening, friends. Actually, within 10 minutes, our chief guest, Shri Prithviraj Chavan Sahib, will be there for our launching ceremony. He will be there within the 10 minutes and we will start our launching ceremony. Just wait for only 10 minutes.
734. Alan.
Codewine and I, Professor Rais Mullah, Codewine, take this opportunity to welcome respected Shri Prithviraj Chavan Sahib, ex-Chief Minister of Maharashtra, and all our viewers on YouTube. Thank you very much for joining us this evening for the launch of our startup Codewine's website and also our flagship product eVyapar. We all know that humanity is presently going through one of the most urgent and pressing issue of COVID-19, which is influencing the human race across nations and continents. So I sincerely wish that you are taking utmost care and are observing the social distancing and also following the guidelines issued by the government machinery. Also, I earnestly feel that it is our duty to appreciate the service rendered by medical fraternity and all the level of bureaucracy, as they are fighting an odd battle for the we all Indians. Here comes Codewine and offer our gratitude towards all of them. As
Hello?
we said, this program is
Yeah.
live on YouTube.
कौन बोलते हैं?
We are really grateful towards our intelligent Chavan Sahib for accepting our invitation on a short notice and agreed to inaugurate our website and product in an online mode. Sir, we are really thankful to you for this helpful gesture. May I now invite Mr. Swapnil Desai for company introduction.
Good evening initiative under the Startup India program, cater to small business owner and the student. We are into developing web application, software product, high quality technical training, and providing the internship to the student. Next. The purpose in the formation of this company is to fill the gaps wherein the students are trained on technology and engineering so that they can secure high-end jobs in the software companies. In order to prepare students for this, we regularly offer them training programs, internship opportunity. It is our sincere wish that we play the part of the fact that software companies secure the technical workforce, thereby lessening the burden that they encounter in the training, the newly hired and queued workforce. In a way, we would like to help business grow and the student through CodeWine. Thank you.
Sorry to disturb you. Actually, we have sent the link to you, Chavan sir, both of you, Indrajit Chavan sir and Prithviraj Chavan sahib. Please join with this link so we can extend this session. We have sent the link to you. Please join with this link. Okay, can I continue?
Yeah, please continue.
Yeah, thank you. May I now ask to Shri Prithviraj Chavan Sahib to launch our website by placing the URL in the browser. Also, I request him to share the screen so that it will be visible to our all viewers. Please do the honor, sir. You can put the URL of our website in your browser and share the screen. So we can consider our website will be launched.
Yeah. Today, share screen.
Share screen.
Well, I'm not able to share screen.
There is one option, sir. Share screen in middle of page at the bottom end.
Program.
Have you opened the URL, sir?
Yeah. Ali, na? Has it come on the screen?
I think share screen. Nothing can share.
Yeah. Now I can see the screen.
This is our website, sir.
Yeah.
You can see that actually on the website there is our all services. We provide the services. We have some products for the marketing, and that all will be available on our website. And I'm very lucky to have you for the launching that website for the all world.
Okay, very good. I'm very happy to launch CodeWine website. Yes, you can see that.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Now I'm announcing that or you can announce that this website is open for all the peoples. Our YouTube users are there live.
Good evening, everyone. I'm speaking from Karad. This is Prithviraj Chavan here. I'm very happy to be on the Zoom meeting and very happy to have just launched the CodeWine website. It's a company which has developed various products and offering various services. I now formally declare that the website of Codewind is now open to the public, open throughout the world. My congratulations to the Codewind team. Thank you. You can
have another product also that is called as eVapar, and we have to launch that eVapar software for the all business people. Actually, this software is useful for the shopkeeper, and that shopkeeper always, you know, that facing lots of problem to save the record of customers, then generate the bill as per the GST format. Then also shopkeeper facing the problem like that, they have to save all the data regarding to their vendors, just like you can say that there is a distributors, and they have to maintain the records with the distributors, and at that time they having the problems like that. They difficult to maintain customer record. They don't know how they can track the purchase record. Also they don't know how much GST amount they paid during the purchase time. Then also they don't know what is the selling record. Then generate the billing format as per the GST format. Then they actually don't know which product gives me more profit. Also they don't know vendors record. So actually we have come for the solution with the eVapar. Next, this is actually our tagline: be the CA of your business, because you work like CA for your business if you purchase that product or if you use that product eVapar. Okay, so these are the benefits. Shopkeeper do not have to worry about GST report. Shopkeepers easily get the customer details. Then you can find out most profitable products. Bill reports generated as per the shopkeeper requirement. As per shopkeeper's requirement, different version of eVapars are also available with us. Then eVapar will store 2 years data with highest level of security. Then it maintains maintenance of eVapar is totally free of cost. So I want to show you the small video of which show all functionality of eVapar. Can I, sir?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, thank you, sir. Just I want to play that video which show all functionality of eVapar.
वेलकम टू कोडविन. मी तुम्हाला eVapar ऍप्लिकेशन बद्दल माहिती सांगत आहे. ही आहे ऍप्लिकेशनची लॉग इन स्क्रीन. जर तुम्ही न्यू युजर असाल तर रजिस्टर हिअर या टॅब वरती क्लिक करून तुम्हाला नेसेसरी डिटेल्स फिल करून रजिस्ट्रेशन करायचं आहे. रजिस्ट्रेशन करताना तुम्हाला तुमचा ईमेल आयडी व्हेरीफाय करायचा आहे. मी ऑलरेडी रजिस्ट्रेशन केलेले आहे, सो मी आता माझा युजर नेम आणि पासवर्ड फिल करून लॉग इन करत आहे. तुम्ही बघू शकता लॉग इन सक्सेसफुली झालेला आहे आणि ही ऍप्लिकेशनची ऍडमिन स्क्रीन आहे. परचेस मध्ये तुम्ही डीलर कडून प्रोडक्ट विकत घेऊ शकता. सेल मध्ये तुम्ही कस्टमरला प्रोडक्ट विकू शकता. ऑर्डर मध्ये डीलर कडून प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर करू शकता. शो मध्ये तुम्ही अवेलेबल प्रोडक्टची क्वांटिटी चेक करू शकता. अकाउंट मध्ये तुम्हाला अकाउंट रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन पाहता येणार आहे. ही आहे परचेस प्रोडक्टची स्क्रीन. इथे आपण पाहू शकता मी ऑलरेडी 8 प्रोडक्ट ऍड केलेले आहेत. सो आता मला 2 प्रोडक्ट ऍड करायचे आहे. सो मी या प्लस टॅब वरती क्लिक करून आपल्याला प्रोडक्ट ऍड करायचा आहे. मी ऍड करतोय नोकिया 6.1 प्लस. ऍड केल्याच्या नंतर ऑटोमॅटिक त्याला HSN नंबर अलोकेट होईल. देन क्वांटिटी ऍड करायची आहे. देन परचेस प्राइस ऍड करायची आहे. देन MRP. देन डीलर नेम ऍड करायचा आहे. देन त्या प्रोडक्टची SGST आणि CGST ऍड करायची आहे. देन डीलरचा एक्सटर्नल इनव्हॉइस ऍड करायचा आहे. ऍड वरती क्लिक केल्यानंतर तुम्ही बघू शकता या टेबल मध्ये डेटा डिस्प्ले झालेला आहे. मी आणखीन एक प्रोडक्ट ऍड करतोय. मायक्रोमॅक्स कॅनव्हास. क्वांटिटी फिल करत आहे. परचेस प्राइस फिल करत आहे. देन MRP, SGST and CGST ऍड केल्याच्या नंतर तुम्ही इथे पाहू शकता टेबल मध्ये 2 प्रोडक्ट ऍड झालेले आहेत. जर सपोज तुम्हाला कोणत्या प्रोडक्ट मध्ये अपडेट करायचा असेल तर तुम्ही क्लिक करून अपडेट करू शकता किंवा पर्टिक्युलर प्रोडक्ट डिलीट करू शकता. तर मी आता सबमिट वरती क्लिक करतोय. सबमिट वरती क्लिक केल्याच्या नंतर परचेस ऑर्डर आपली सक्सेसफुली परचेस झालेली आहे आणि आपण 2 प्रोडक्ट परचेस केलेले आहेत. तर तुम्ही या शो टॅब मध्ये बघू शकता अवेलेबल प्रोडक्ट्स मध्ये नोकिया 6.1 प्लस अँड मायक्रोमॅक्स कॅनव्हास हे 2 प्रोडक्ट आपले परचेस झालेले आहेत आणि त्याची अवेलेबल क्वांटिटी तुम्ही इथे चेक करू शकता. डीलर्स डेटा या टॅब मध्ये तुम्ही कोणत्या डीलर्स कडून किती प्रोडक्ट्स परचेस केलेले आहेत ते तुम्ही इथे चेक करू शकता. डेट वाइज तुम्ही चेक करू शकता. यू कॅन सी दिस टेबल मध्ये पूर्ण डेटा शो झालेला आहे. या डीलर कडून आपण एवढे प्रोडक्ट परचेस केलेले आहेत. हा डेटा प्रोडक्ट नेम वाईज किंवा डीलर नेम वाईज किंवा बिल नंबर वाईज किंवा इनवॉइस नंबर वाईज तुम्ही फिल्टर करू शकता. चेक करू शकता फिल्टर होत आहे. देन ऑर्डर मॉड्यूल मध्ये जे प्रोडक्ट परचेस करायचे आहेत ते ऍड करून त्याची प्रिंट डीलरला प्रोव्हाइड करून तुम्ही प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर करू शकता. तर इथे प्रोडक्ट नेम, क्वांटिटी अँड डीलर नेम ऍड केल्यानंतर तुम्ही त्याची प्रिंट डीलरला देऊन तुम्ही प्रोडक्ट परचेस करू शकता. देन अंडर द सेल मॉडेल तुम्ही कस्टमरला प्रोडक्ट सेल करू शकता. तर ऍज अ शॉपकीपर मी 2 प्रोडक्ट सेल करत आहे. जो प्रोडक्ट सेल करायचा असेल तो प्रोडक्ट या ड्रॉप डाऊन मधून सिलेक्ट करायचा आहे. तर मी एक प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्ट करतोय नोकिया 6.1 प्लस. क्वांटिटी देतोय 1. देन कस्टमर नेम ऍड करायचा आहे. ऍड केल्यानंतर या टेबल मध्ये डेटा डिस्प्ले होईल. देन मी आणखीन एक प्रोडक्ट सेल करतोय. क्वांटिटी 1 ऍड केल्यानंतर या टेबल मध्ये डेटा डिस्प्ले झालेला असेल. या टेबल मधून जो नको असलेला प्रोडक्ट तुम्ही सिलेक्ट करून डिलीट करू शकता. देन तुम्ही ग्रँड टोटल मध्ये पाहू शकता टोटल अमाऊंट कॅल्क्युलेट झालेली आहे. सो जर तुम्हाला डिस्काउंट द्यायचं असेल तर डिस्काउंटची फॅसिलिटी पण इथे प्रोव्हाइड केलेली आहे. सपोज मी 20% डिस्काउंट प्रोव्हाइड करतोय. अप्लाय वरती क्लिक केल्यानंतर डिस्काउंट कॅल्क्युलेट होऊन फायनल ग्रँड टोटल डिस्प्ले होईल. देन प्लेस ऑर्डर वरती क्लिक करायचं आहे. प्लेस ऑर्डर वरती क्लिक केल्यानंतर ऑर्डर प्लेस झालेली असेल. त्यानंतर प्रिंट वरती क्लिक करून आपल्याला बिल जनरेट होईल. तर हा बिलचा फॉर्मॅट आहे. प्रिंट वरती क्लिक केल्यानंतर एकतर तुम्ही प्रिंट घेऊ शकता किंवा कम्प्युटर मध्ये ऍज अ PDF फाईल सेव्ह करू शकता. तर मी सेव्ह करत आहे फाईल. सो मी डेस्कटॉप वरती सेव्ह करत आहे. फाईल सेव्ह झालेली आहे. तर आपण चेक करू शकता डेस्कटॉप वरती फाईल आलेली असेल. यू कॅन सी दिस बिल डेटा ही फाईल डेस्कटॉप वरती आलेली आहे आणि त्याची टोटल ग्रँड टोटल विथ कस्टमर नेम, मोबाईल नंबर, डेट अँड टाइम सेव्ह झालेला आहे डेटा. सो मी 2 प्रोडक्ट सक्सेसफुली सेल केलेले आहेत. तर शो प्रोडक्ट मध्ये आपण परत चेक करू शकता अवेलेबल प्रोडक्ट्स मध्ये नोकिया 6.1 प्लस अँड मायक्रोमॅक्स कॅनव्हास याची क्वांटिटी 1 ने मायनस झालेली आहे. सो नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट अकाउंट्स मॉड्यूल. अकाउंट मॉड्यूल मध्ये तुम्ही परचेस डेटा, सेल डेटा, डिस्काउंट, परचेस डिस्काउंट, सेल जीएसटी, परचेस जीएसटी चेक करू शकता. सो मी आता 1 बाय 1 तुम्हाला डेटा डिस्प्ले करून दाखवणार आहे. नाउ परचेस टॅब वरती क्लिक केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला डेट फिल करायची आहे. सो मी डेट फिल करतोय. शो केल्यानंतर यू कॅन सी दिस टेबल मध्ये डेटा डिस्प्ले झालेला आहे. आपण जेवढे प्रोडक्ट परचेस केलेले आहेत विथ डीलर नेम, बिल नंबर, इनवॉइस नंबर, all these things are come in this table. So you can see this. हा टेबल मधला डेटा आपण पर्टिक्युलर डीलर नुसार किंवा बिल नंबर नुसार किंवा इनवॉइस नंबर नुसार फिल्टर करू शकतो. आपण इथे बघू शकता मी डीलरच्या नावानुसार डेटा फिल्टर केलेला आहे. देन अंडर द सेल मॉड्यूल तुम्ही आतापर्यंत किती डेटा सेल केलेला आहे किंवा किती प्रोडक्ट सेल केलेले आहेत याची डिटेल्स तुम्ही चेक करू शकता. मी डेट फिल करतोय. सो तुम्ही इथे चेक करू शकता आपण एवढे प्रोडक्ट सेल केलेले आहेत विथ CGST, SGST अँड बिल नंबर. देन डिस्काउंट्स मध्ये आपण कोणत्या बिल नंबरला किती डिस्काउंट दिलेले आहे हे चेक करता येईल. सो शो वरती क्लिक केल्यानंतर तुम्ही चेक करू शकता बिल नंबर, टोटल, डिस्काउंट्स अमाउंट्स अँड ग्रँड टोटल. सो आपण डिस्काउंट वरती पण लक्ष देऊ शकता. नाउ जीएसटी हा इम्पॉर्टंट कन्सेप्ट आहे. सो या सॉफ्टवेअर द्वारे ऍज अ शॉपकीपर जीएसटी बद्दल काळजी करण्याचे काहीच कारण नाहीये किंवा तुम्ही प्रोडक्ट वरती किती जीएसटी पे केली किंवा सेल करताना किती जीएसटी अर्न केली हे सगळं डिटेल्स तुम्ही इथे चेक करू शकता. तर परचेस जीएसटी वरती क्लिक केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला डेट फिल करायची आहे. देन तुम्ही इथं बघू शकता डीलर नेम, SGST, CGST, क्वांटिटी, प्रोडक्ट नेम विथ बिल नंबर अँड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ CGST अँड SGST इज कॅल्क्युलेटेड हिअर. सो यू कॅन सी दिस. आणि आपण हा डेटा एक्सेल शीट मध्ये एक्सपोर्ट करू शकतो जेणेकरून CA ला तुम्ही एक्सेल शीट देऊ शकता. आपण हा डेटा फिल्टर करू शकतो डीलर्स नेम नुसार किंवा बिल नंबर नुसार. आपण बघू शकता डेटा फिल्टर होत आहे किंवा प्रोडक्ट नेम नुसार. नाउ सेल जीएसटी मध्ये तुम्ही आतापर्यंत किती जीएसटी अर्न केली ते चेक करू शकतो. सो डेट फिल करायची आहे. देन इथे तुम्ही चेक करू शकता. या सर्व ऍक्टिव्हिटीज तुम्ही अकाउंट्स मधून चेक करू शकता. आणि या सॉफ्टवेअरचा मेन फायदा असा आहे की जर सपोज एखाद्या कस्टमरचं बिल हरवलेलं असेल तर त्याला ते बिल प्रोव्हाइड करण्याची फॅसिलिटी आपण या सॉफ्टवेअर मध्ये देत आहोत. सो इथे चेक करू शकता कस्टमरच्या परचेस डिटेल्स डिस्प्ले झालेल्या आहेत. सो इथे परचेस डिटेल्स फिल्टर करून या प्रिंट बिल वरती क्लिक करून कस्टमरला आपण डुप्लिकेट बिलची फॅसिलिटी देऊ शकतो. सो ही आहे ओव्हरऑल ई व्यापार या सॉफ्टवेअरची फंक्शनॅलिटी. जर तुम्हाला याबद्दल आणखीन काही माहिती हवी असेल तर तुम्ही आम्हाला संपर्क साधू शकता.
Good evening, all of you.
Yes.
Now I'm going to start the overview of the company. First, we will introduce the website launching, and have you seen the website of the college of the company www.codewintechnologies.com, and our new launched product eVapor. The eVapor product, use of the eVapor product is for the small shopkeepers. Now I'm going to introduce the detail and the highlights of the company. Our company is formed under the Make in India. Also, that the major highlights of the company is that we have a 30 plus employees. We have done 1000 plus project, 1000 plus happy clients, 500 plus web application, 400 plus desktop application, 100 plus Android apps. Our head office at Philippines, and we have 4 branches. One is Mumbai, Delhi, Kolhapur, and Thane. Next. This is our Codewin team. Dr. Ruturaj Desai, Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Ayaz Mullah, Chief Operational Officer, Mr. Prathamesh Kamble, Vice President, Mr. Prithviraj Thokal, Chief Financial Officer, Mr. Milind Dhavle, Marketing Head, Mr. Yash Devirkar, Operational Head. Now I'm requesting to Rais sir to please proceed for the product execution and the product explanation with the financial module.
Okay, thank you, sir. As you have to seen that our product actually work on the all financial activities also. It can save the GST format billing also, so it will be helpful to all shopkeepers, from just like mobile shopkeepers and any grocery shopkeeper. Any one of the shopkeeper can use that software to saving the records, and also with saving the record of customer also. They can track the bill record of each and every customer. So this type of the software we have launched on today itself. So that is our software name, eVapor.
Again, good evening, everybody. I'm very happy to participate in this launch of Codewin's website and Codewin's eVapor software, specifically designed for Indian environment and Maharashtrian environment, small traders and small businessmen. The website was just launched, and there was an explanation about the eVapor software. eVapor is meant for small shopkeepers, small business people who have to deal with GST. GST is a very complicated law, and there are many compliances. You have to file returns every month, and so you have to really become a half CA of your own business. If you hire a CA, it will be very expensive. A small business cannot afford to hire a consultant or a full-time CA or a full-time tax consultant. So he has to learn basic things about the preparation of whatever documents that are required in each business. GST has to be necessarily filed on computer. So you have to be computer literate. Otherwise, you have to go to a CA who has a computer, and then CA will charge heavily for using his office or his facility. The software is quite user-friendly. Of course, initially it may take some time to get used to the software. But once you get used to the software, it's quite simple to file the statutory returns which are required under the GST law. It's also self-documenting. The records can be maintained for a very long time, I think even up to 2 years. And the maintenance, the secrecy of the records is maintained because it's quite a robust website. And the website is always being upgraded, developed. So if there are any weak links, that can always be that will always be upgraded like every other software. There will be new versions installed. Since these are all the local boys who have got a lot of experience in industry in software development, website development, and Codewind is a company which is headquartered in Philippines. They've got 4 branches in India, and the Kolhapur branch, I think, is launching product here. The very need for operating with computers, like this particular inauguration function, could have been, had we not been under the shadow of Corona, we could have all gathered together, traveled some distance to reach the venue of the inauguration, and a lot of time would have been wasted in traveling back and forth. Now, with the new technological tools like the ease of doing video conference on either your mobile phone or your laptop, there's no need for people to physically gather at one point. We are virtually gathering, and this virtual meeting, virtual function, inaugural function is being done today. We all will have to get used to working virtually, working from home, not meeting, not doing face-to-face meeting, but all meetings will be done on either Skype or Zoom or various other WebEx or whatever packages, team package of Microsoft. We all have to start just like we are very easily operating our own smartphones. Similarly, we'll have to be familiar with use of these modern software packages, teleworking packages. And these packages are being developed, further and further developed, improved, better features are being added, newer and newer packages are coming. Every major multinational IT company is trying to enter this field. Corona will be with us for a foreseeable future till a very foolproof vaccine is discovered. And after the vaccine is discovered, it has to be manufactured in hundreds of millions of numbers. And then every single individual in the world will have to be inoculated against the vaccine so that ultimately the vaccine disappears from the face of the earth. We're looking at a time frame of more than a year and a half, 2 years. Till that time, Corona will be with us with some severity or the other. If you adopt all the social distancing and hygiene norms, cover your face and mouth with mask, wash your hands regularly, and as you understand the coronavirus more and more in detail, then we'll also know how to fight the virus itself. But virus cannot be eliminated till we have a vaccine. So it's better that all of us learn to work remotely and with our own computers, with our own smartphones. And for that, accounting package like eVyapar will be a boon because Government of India wants us to become fully digital. Government of India is laying a lot of fiber network in the country. The Wi-Fi speeds are being improved every day, and computers are becoming cheaper and more powerful. Computers are being made available, and smartphones also are becoming more and more powerful. And so one can actually work from a smartphone. Doesn't even have to have a computer or a laptop. But one thing is clear: every business person, whether it's a small business person, a medium business person, or a large business person, has to become computer literate, and not just computer literate, but be fairly proficient in use of computers and the latest softwares that are coming. If you're proficient in use of computers and computer friendly, computer literate, you will be more efficient in your business. You have a competitive edge over others who are not fully computer literate. And that's where youngsters will have an advantage over the older generation. The older generation are just afraid and fearful of touching any new technology. But since you are all been brought up And ever since you are young people, you have seen mobile phones and computers floating around. In our generation, we did not have either mobile phones or even computers were not that easily available. So your generation is lucky that way. And there are also different business opportunities because of the new technology. Physical meetings and physical doing work on paper and pencil work, filing forms, filling forms, and writing account books, ledgers. Those days are now gone. And all this work, which used to be done by hand with a book and with a pen, writing all the accounts data, that's all past. And we can even now file your GST returns, file your income tax returns, file your all your tax deducted at source returns. All these returns can be automatically filed online without leaving your office. You can do most of banking without leaving your office. Cash is getting reduced. Government wants cash to disappear completely and the country to become a cashless economy. Of course, that will take a very long time, but more and more people who are computer savvy or computer literate are already using online banking features. So whole nature of the business is changed. And the software packages like eVyapar and a homegrown company like Codewind, which is just next door to you, which have developed this software and there to guide you, support you, train you, help you if there is any problem, will be a boon. I wish Codewind and the new venture of eVyapar all the best. I'm sure they will really serve the community they are working in Kolhapur and Satara district area and all the West Maharashtra area, and gradually they'll grow their presence throughout the country. It's already an international company with headquarters in Philippines. So I wish them all the best to grow and serve the local people here. You had to work out a different business model in the background of Corona. If Corona was not there, as you can rightly imagine, we could have had a very grand meeting and a shamiana and a tent and kanat and all that and meeting, but that is not necessary. So much of time is saved. It's all about being efficient, all about better use of time and resources, and being very, very fast in doing whatever you do. So eVyapar will help to do all that. My best wishes to the developer of the product. I'm sure you'll succeed if you sincerely work at developing the business and serving the community. All the best. Thank you very much for inviting me. Good day.
Now, Swapnil Desai sir will present vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. We are really excited about the Codewind, and I am even more excited to serve the intended recipients to our venue, that is small business owner and the students. I take this opportunity to express my gratitude towards Sri Prithvirajji Chavan Sahib, ex-Chief Minister of Maharashtra, for sparing his valuable time and accepting our invitation on a short notice. Sir, your presence motivated us. Thank you very much. I also take this opportunity to appreciate and the help provided by Mr. Indrajit Chavan sir, a prominent youth leader of Indian National Congress. Indrajit sir, thank you for helping us with the presence of our respected Chavan sir. And I want to extend my thanks to the Mr. Rahul Patil. He is youth leader of Indian National Congress. It is such a great gesture. I also thank all my colleagues at Codewind, and my appreciation also goes to all of them who knowingly and unknowingly help us in the making Codewind a possibility. Thank you everyone, and keep encouraging us. Your support matters, and it matters more. Kudos to all of you. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, good day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much sir, for coming.
I'm leaving the meeting now. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Raise, congratulations. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
The program was very nice, and
Thank you, sir.
it was an innovative think to inaugurate a website on Zoom.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. This is like,
I wish you all. I wish you all best.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
सो ई व्यापार या सॉफ्टवेअरचे 4 व्हर्जन्स सुद्धा आहेत. दॅट व्हर्जन्स आर बेसिक, then advanced, and smart version is also there, and exclusive version is there. So these are the versions. Okay, basic cost of that versions are next. Basic version having cost 5,000, advanced version having cost 10,000, smart version having cost 15,000, and exclusive version having cost 20,000. But we are offering launching week offer on each and every product, so it will becomes 5,000 cost. It will becomes at the 3,000. Then 10,000 cost will come at 7,000, and 15,000 cost will come at 10,000. 20,000 cost will come at 15,000. I am just briefly saying that each and every product's versions feature. So Milind, can you share the screen for features? Maintain the record of every customer. It display the available dead stock report. It maintain the purchase and sale records. It generate the bills. Okay, advanced version maintain the record of each and every customer. It display available dead stock. It maintain the purchase and sale record. It generate the bill as per the customer requirement, and say one advanced feature is there. It send the message to the customer after the bill generation. And you can see that there is another difference in between basic and advanced is that here generate the bill as per the customer requirement. Okay, then in smart version maintain the record of every customer. It display the available dead stock report. It maintain the purchase and sale record. It generate the bill as per the customer requirement, sending message to the customer after bill generation. And another 2 more features are there. That 2 features are it take backup with a high level of security for the 2 years. Then the free maintenance for 1 year. Then another version is there, and that is exclusive version for you people, which is developed by the Codewin under the eVapar, and that is exclusive version with providing the mobile app which is provided with customization, which access shop database, and all another features which are already available in the smart version. That all features are available in exclusive version also. But here is one mobile app is developed by our Codewin with your name, with your shop name, and that mobile app can access all database from the shop. These all are the versions of eVapar. So if you are interested in our product, then you can contact us on our mobile number and our website, and I will share the screen of our contact. You can contact on that. You can follow us on our Twitter account. Our website is there. Then you can email on the email ID which is available on your screen. Then you can contact us directly on the given number which is available on your screen. So if you are interested, then please contact us and show your interest in our product. This product is helpful to each and every shopkeeper. I assure you our service and our support is always with you. Thank you.
Here, you are a shopkeeper with a good number of customers, but they look angry because of waiting time. Not only the customers, but also vendor looks angry. Looks like you are surrounded with various problems, and it seems you need help. To all your problems, we have solution. eVapar. Now you can go back to your shop, and you can see, not only your customer, but also vendor are happy. So are you. So what basically eVapar do is, It shows and maintains various reports, like dead stock, GST, etc., with easy tracking of purchase details along with date-wise activity. Benefits: customizable as per your requirement, along with 2 years data storage and high level of security, and free maintenance.
Be the CEO of your business. Difficulties to maintain customer record. How I can track purchase record. How I can generate bills with government GST format. I didn't know my overall profit. How I can get selling record. I didn't know vendor record. Which product gives me more profit. Facing lot of problem in a business. Searching for a solution. Don't worry, we have a solution for you. eVyapar. Be the CEO of your business. Coming soon.